Guys, so if you are like me and you bought this Zosi DVR and security camera system, as you can see I've got 4 channels up and running right here. If you're anything like me, I bought a cheaper version. I didn't go anything wireless. I personally like hardwired cameras better. However, running 4 camera wires through my attic was fairly difficult. And with that being said, there was one more wire left to run, and that was an Ethernet cable because this DVR is not wireless. However, I changed that with one easy part. It was a wireless USB adapter. And it's this one right here, as you can see. It was only $10 from Amazon, and I'm here to tell you that was well worth not running an Ethernet cable, because the difference between an Ethernet cable and my camera system was I was gonna have to also go through a wall. As you can see here on the cameras, I simply had to just pass a wire from the overhang from my attic to the overhang to where the camera's mounted. In order to run it from the other side of the house, as you can see, I've got a lot shorter roof in the center of my home, and that is not wide or tall enough for me to crawl through. It's very, very narrow. So I ended up having to push wire from one end to the other, and the Ethernet cable would have been coming up this wall and through here into the garage, and that was not worth it to me. So I spent $10 and purchased this easy USB device, this little dongle. There's only 2 devices that work. I'm gonna post a link on Amazon to the page, or to this YouTube video, and that should help you guys with wireless, and it will save you tons of time on your install and tons of money as compared to the wireless version, or a wireless DVR. So give it a try, guys, and let me know what you think. Comment and like. Thank you.